draw the number 2. Okay, so number 2 is done. So the next step is we need to draw the deer back. So let's start from here and curve up and move down like this. And this end is we can turn it to the tail of the deer, mean tail tuft, like this. Okay, tail tuft, and we need to connect with the leg. Okay, move from here, from number 2. Okay. The next step is we can paint this leg. Yeah. And move here, win the neck. That is the neck, so we sing like this. Imagine, and then sing we should start here, and then we move down like this. Yeah. A little curve. Okay, curve down the leg. Okay, so the next step is we need to draw about his head. Okay, so his head we can start here. Okay, and move up and down. Okay, so we can see this about his ear. So just make like this. And another side is also his ear. Okay, so you can paint in like his fur is in a big lake. See here. Yeah. Okay. And we can put a little spot like this, and his eye. Okay, so it's then it nose and black. Okay. And then we can apply the black spot on his body. This. Okay.